I'm Fabio Rizzani, the owner of Rideable Design. I set a Guinness World Record 2014 to designing and building the tallest rideable motorbike in the world. On 3rd May you will have the chance to bid for this collectible work of art during the event Houston Classic 2014 at Torretta del Lago Resort. This motorcycle stands 5 meters tall, has a length of 10 meters and a weight of 4,000 kilos. As a designer, I have specialized in painting and airbrushing on motorbikes and cars, and this is the largest work I have ever made. The idea began as a game and challenge between friends. Starting from a sketch of a chopper motorbike, step by step I designed every single component of this huge vehicle, which was built to scale of 6:1. I put together a team of 8 people, friends and relatives, who made it possible to develop this project. The production time was also a record. It was entirely handcrafted in 7 months. We used several cars components, such as a General Motor 5.7 liter V8 engine and equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission and Buick reverse. Tires are from Earth Mover. They are 1 meter wide, have a diameter of 2.2 meters and weight 1,200 kilos each. The braking system comes from a Porsche Cayenne and takes advantage of a 6-piston brake. Reaching the handlebars would have been impossible, so we installed a joystick which makes it comfortable to steer left and right. This huge motorbike can be driven on its 2 wheels, but for safety's sake, 2 tiny outrigger wheels were fitted to increase stability. Every single item was handmade employing special techniques. The tank and the fenders are made of fiberglass. Great attention was paid to refinement of painting and airbrushing, for which Rideable Design is highly qualified. With a final price of more than $100,000, it could only go down to history and be celebrated as the world's best. As instructed by Guinness World Records, we rode the motorcycle over 100 meter distance, ready to make it into the Guinness Book of World Records. This work of art can be a powerful promotion tool in a private collection, pub, restaurant, shop, disco or any other place of interest, and increase the number of your clients and your profits. If you want to do business with it, you can rent it out as an attraction for trade show or events, making easy and quick money. Enjoy the auction. See you on 3rd May at the event Houston Classic 2014 at La Torretta del Lago Resort. Thank you.